Hey everyone, it is Rachel. Welcome back to my channel. I have a new unboxing and I got it actually really quickly this month. So I haven't seen a lot of videos on this, so I wanted to get this out so everyone could kind of see it. So this is the glossy box for July of 2018. I've been doing this subscription box for a couple of months now. This was, I believe it's like $24. I do like a 3-month version, so I think I get it for about $19 a box. And my original subscription, I got like a free box thrown in. So anyway, I wanted to go over this box with you guys. I just looked at it. I didn't really sample or play with any of the products. So we can kind of discover them together. So this month's box is actually really cute. Sometimes their boxes are just the plain pink box. Sometimes they have a themed box. I actually really like this box. It has seahorses and like coral and starfish, and then it just subtly says glossy box on the side. Like, this is a cute box. Like, I am gonna definitely reuse this box for gift giving. It's just adorable. So definitely very summery, beachy feeling, kind of fits for a July. So getting into here, like I said, I did open and just peek. It had a little bow here, and then the first thing on here is this advertisement for Keys. I've never heard of this brand. Apparently it's a sandal brand, and apparently you can enjoy 10% off with the code TKG10 for a limited time only. Those do look nice. I don't know. I'm gonna have to look up how this brand is. I do like sandals. I wear them a lot. I live in the South. It's hot as you know what here. So I'll see. I don't know if this is a reasonably priced brand or not. All right, so next thing is the theme. This is the glossy box, see you soon. So they're playing on summer, ocean, and everything. And then they always say, like, if you want to follow them on social media, put on like glossy C, hashtag glossy boxes. Okay, so this is always a little fold out, and all right, sorry about that. My 8-month-old just woke up and was screaming. It has been a rather fun night trying to get him down. He is teething, which anyone who has small children knows is a pain in the utter rear. So he does not want to sleep. So every time I've been putting him down, he's waking up screaming. And he's normally a really good sleeper. So sorry about that. So back to it. So these little brochures kind of just give you a little bit of, idea of why they did this. So they basically said this was to celebrate the sunny season. And they're saying that, it's an ocean themed box. I mean, that's pretty self-explanatory. And, oh, this is cool. This is the illustrator who did the box. So this person is Sarah Bolton. Don't know anything about her. And then this is a sequel to what this August box is going to look like, which is kind of fun. So this is what the inside brochure is, and I will go over the products and go over it. So every time you have the little tissue paper with the little seal on here, and I'm just going to kind of dive into the box here. I will tell you, this is probably not one of my more favorite boxes I've gotten from them, but I'm going to go over everything and kind of tell you what I think and go from there. So the first thing here are these Skin Infusion Recovery and Renew Single Use Face Masks. Now, anyone who's seen my video or who has gotten the Mother Day box, which was not that long ago, so I think there were 4 of these in here. And these are very nice masks, don't get me wrong, I really like them. At the time I did the video, I did not realize this until I was looking later through my mask supplies to see which was expiring or not. But these masks expire in September. You can see here, they expire 9/10/2018. That's not very long. We're in July. Now, granted, these are only 2 masks, but if you are like me and you buy a lot of masks or you get a lot of subscription boxes, then that sucks. And I still have 2 or 3 of these from my Mother's Day box that also expire in September. So I love that they sent me masks. I love masks. I hate that they sent me masks that are near expiration. I suspect that they got these at a really great price. I also hate that they put the same mask that they put in their special edition Mother's Day box. I think that's kind of a, I was going to say jet, but I just think they should vary it a little bit. Now these are pricey masks. These are 4 for $40, so each mask is $10. And this is supposed to be a restorative facial mask. It has lactic acid for mild exfoliation and vitamin C for kind of brightening. So they put on here that lactic acid is classified as a alpha hydroxy acid, which is supposed to increase cell turnover, reduce acne and appearance of wrinkles. I will use these. I just wish they had given us ones at least 6 months before the expiration, maybe a year. That's kind of a pet peeve of mine. Okay, moving on. So this is what the rest of the box looks like. So last month's box was very heavy on makeup products. And the thing about GLOSSYBOX is they're not always makeup heavy. And I actually don't mind that because, I have enough makeup and I get some really good makeup products in some of my other boxes. And I like that this is a little bit different. But let me just kind of go through the rest of these. So this is the, I don't know if I'm saying this right, Cushy Double Effect Makeup Remover Cleansing and Calming. So it's supposed to be eyes and sensitive areas, and so it's kind of interesting. It looks like water oil mixture. So that's interesting. I'm not sure how this is gonna work. So they say that the full size is 3.4 fluid ounces. So this is technically a full size. It's $14. So it says 2-part routine. Use soft oils to remove even eye makeup and lotion to leave you feeling clean and fresh. So they say a tip is to dampen a Q-tip and put this on here to remove it. It doesn't have a safety seal. It doesn't really have a smell. I'm not sure how this mixes up, but I am quite intrigued by this. Oh, here it goes. The clear phase is rich in soft oils, and then the skin is cleansed quickly and easily, suitable for sensitive, and then the blue phase is very mild lotion. I don't know how you're supposed to do the clear versus that, but that's interesting. And I wonder if you just shake it up and then it like disperses like that. I'm gonna give this a good try. This I am intrigued by. I think this is an interesting thing. Now I use the makeup eraser for 90% of my makeup removal, and then I have a makeup removal oil that I use when I get like the hard to get off stuff. But this is cool. I'm intrigued by that. So that is that. All right, so the next thing here is the John Masters Organic Citrus and Neroli Detangler. Now, I love a good detangler, but I'm kind of big on the spray detanglers right now. I have a couple different ones that I really like, and they're not that expensive. Now, for whatever reason, they really like the John Masters Organic, and this is 2 fluid ounces. And they said this is worth $10. I don't think this is a full size, but at least they tell you it's a featured size. So this is supposed to have a light citrus scent. Let's see. So again, no safety seal, but it does. It smells really nice. Basically non-sticky, touchable, hold, perfect to get someone through the summer. It kind of smells like a lemon cookie. So anyway, I'm just gonna put a little bit on here and see how it feels. My hair is something mess. This, guys, is the postpartum hair. Anyone who's had children, somewhere around 3 months, your hair all falls out. Not all of it, most of it. And all that beautiful hair that you get when you're pregnant. Well, then it starts growing back in these little flyaways. Luckily, this time my hair's not as bad. My first child, I had flyaways up here. Just have it here. You can see, it does seem to absorb pretty nicely. Smells like a cookie. I feel like I'm a lemon meringue, but this is intriguing. This would be good for like a travel size. I do kind of wish they had given us a little bit bigger size though, but that's not horrible. All right, so the next thing is another John Masters organic thing, and this is a hairspray. This is 2 fluid ounces. Oh, sorry. I told you guys that this was $10. This is $6. I was reading the wrong one. So this one smells like grapefruit, soy protein, hydrate, and strengthens your hair. I still think it smells like a lemon cookie. It says leave the conditioner in for 3 minutes to maximize nourishing product. I was reading off the hairspray. Basically give your damp or dry hair a good spritz for a fine firming hold. So let's see if it can hold back. Oof. Oh, that is not a fine spray. Oh, got it in my ear here. I'm gonna do my hair thing here. Doesn't it kind of not as bad like hairspray smell, but it doesn't have that fine citrus smell that they are saying. Is that holding? I don't know if it's holding. Let's see. It doesn't feel crusty. I will give them that. I tend to like to buy my hairsprays in travel size anyway because I only really use them when I'm out and about or very rarely. Not bad. It feels good. I don't know how well it holds. Let me see. I'm going to pull this up here. Jury's out if this really holds. I'll give this stuff a good benefit of the doubt. But this is $10. All right. We got 2 more items in here. Let me get this refocused for you guys. Ow. Sorry. All right. So the next thing is this NCL So Rich Cuticle Oil in Mermaid Tears. So this is a full size. This is supposed to be 0.5 fluid ounces. And it is $18. It is vitamin E combined with sunflower seed oil. Their description on here is pretty ridiculous. Mermaids can be confined to fantasies. I'm not going to read the whole thing, but I just think it's just kind of silly. Apparently, it can prolong the life of your manicure. Now, I work in healthcare, so I do not wear nail polish on my fingernails because I just, like, I washing my hands too much and all that stuff. So, but I'm curious. Oh, it smells nice. Nice and hot. I don't think cuticle oil is something that I would reach for a lot. I think it's an interesting product. It smells really good. So, actually not bad. I was a little disappointed when I saw this initially because I was like, oh, really cuticle oil. I have a feeling this is something that I'm actually gonna kind of like, that I didn't even know I liked. So anyway, that's neat. Full-size product. Here's the last thing, and this is the It's Skin Mini Macron Lip Balm. Okay, so this is a full size. This is 0.24 fluid ounces, and I think there were variations on this product. Like you could get this, or you could get a powder, I think, or you could get various flavors of this. I saw someone else's video had like a green one, which was a green apple. So I have the pineapple one. Yeah, they don't say much in here. They were just teasing about it not having the full fluid ounces of your daily fruit in here. Anyway, it's cute. It's shaped like a little macaroon. Alright, I'm going to pull this out here and see. I always like lip balms. I keep these like 5 in my purse and like on my desk at work when I'm working. In fact, I'm a little obsessed with lip balms. It does smell faintly of pineapple. And it's just a clear balm. I'm not really wearing much makeup Smells good. Doesn't really have a flavor. Nice thick texture. Actually, not bad. I could see myself using this at work a lot. The packaging is cute, but it is definitely kind of cheap feeling. Like it is plasticky, but it does look like a cute little macaroon, which is nice. Okay, so that is that. So we have got, so remember this box does 5 to 6 full size and deluxe products. So we have 2 of this, so I guess this would be deluxe size because 4 is considered full size, but 2 skin, face masks. We've got a full size makeup cleaner. We've got 2 deluxe size hair products. We've got a full size lip balm and a full size cuticle. So half deluxe, half full size. Not my favorite box. Now that I've gotten in and played with a few of the items, I do like them, and I have a feeling it's going to be like some of my other boxes with GLOSSYBOX, where I got into it originally and I looked at it and I was like, these products are kind of eh. And then I used them and I was like, oh wait, I actually really like this product. So I will have to get back about the hairspray. I will have to say it does not, like my hair does not feel crusty. I just don't know the holding power. If this holds and it doesn't make my hair feel crusty, then this is going to be a major win. I'm definitely intrigued about this. I'm going to have to try this out and see how it goes. Pleasantly surprised about the nail cuticle oil. Like, this is already absorbed. It smells so nice, and now my nails feel so nice. So I think this is going to be one of those new, like, I didn't know I even liked it or I needed it find, which I love this box for this. And then this is just a solid staple. The detangler, I'm gonna have to try this when I wash my hair. And then you guys know my pet peeve about the masks that are about to expire. Good masks, wish they had sent us different ones that weren't about to expire. So anyway, that is my GLOSSYBOX. Tell me what you guys think, as always. Please subscribe. We are getting so close to 50, and I have a whole stuff set aside for a giveaway. Once I get to about 45-ish or so, I'll go ahead and open that up. And then when we hit 50, we'll do the actual giveaway and then kind of go from there. Hit the notification bell so you guys know when my videos come out. I work shift work. Always weird when I video and upload them, so sometimes I get up a couple in a week, sometimes I get one up in a week. And always, follow me on social media. Tell me what you guys think. I love feedback, and thanks again for watching.